Imagine waking up one morning to an eerily quiet world. No buzzing of flies, no chirping of crickets, no flicker of moths by the porch light. At first, it might feel like a blessing. No more itchy mosquito bites, no more wasps ruining a picnic, no more cockroaches scuttling across the kitchen floor at night. It feels cleaner, safer, calmer, but the silence doesn't last, because soon things begin to unravel. It starts subtly. Birds, once a familiar soundtrack of the morning, begin to vanish. Without insects to feed on, many bird species start dying off. Then the frogs, the lizards, the bats. A whole web of life, once delicately balanced, begins to collapse. Next, crops begin to fail. You see about 75% of flowering plants, including a huge portion of the fruits, vegetables, and nuts we eat, depend on insect pollination. Without bees, butterflies, and beetles transferring pollen from one blossom to another, plants struggle to reproduce. Farms experience massive declines in yield. Prices skyrocket, shortages spread. Supermarkets begin to look different. Apples, berries, cucumbers, almonds, coffee, even chocolate. Gone or barely available. The diet of humanity, once diverse and colorful, begins to shrink. We fall back on staple crops like wheat, corn, and rice, those that are wind-pollinated or self-reliant. But even these aren't immune. Many still rely on insects to maintain healthy ecosystems in the soil, because it's not just pollination that's affected. Insects play a critical role in decomposing dead plants and animals. Without them, waste accumulates. Dead leaves and carcasses linger longer. Nutrients stop cycling efficiently through the soil. The ground beneath us grows less fertile. The world begins to smell different, staler, heavier. Meanwhile, the food chain continues to collapse. Small predators, once nourished by insects, start to starve. Larger predators follow. Biodiversity plummets. The world grows quieter and emptier. Even humans begin to feel the direct effects, not just through food shortages, but through disease. Believe it or not, many insects actually protect us. Ladybugs eat aphids that destroy crops. Dung beetles prevent the spread of harmful bacteria by breaking down feces. Without these natural custodians, pathogens spread more easily. Ecosystems become less resilient. And what about science and medicine? Some of our most important discoveries have come from studying insects. The silk of spiders, the venom of wasps, the regenerative capabilities of beetles. With them gone, so too are the secrets they've yet to reveal. In short, removing insects would not bring peace and cleanliness. It would bring ecological collapse. A silent spring followed by a starving summer, a desperate fall, and a lifeless winter. We may not always like insects, but they are the engineers, janitors, farmers, and lifeblood of the natural world. Every buzzing bee, every crawling ant, every fluttering moth plays a role in keeping Earth alive. So the next time you swat at a mosquito or shoo a fly away from your lunch, remember this. They may be small, but in the grand scheme of things, insects are holding the world together. And without them, everything falls apart.
The sweeping insensitivity of it.